cloth underneath. There you go. Now, force that thing. Yes, the drip coins are at it. The first drips of the day in the deep mango color. And Amy goes for her rose-colored drips. Yes, look at them go. Oh, isn't that pretty?
Yes, I tried to get them where the orange ones aren't.
Right. Yeah. Good job. Look at you go.
Thank you, Sunshower. Teacher.
Aww. Haley's rose strips. Look at them go. It's always so surprising how they turn out. Huh? They wanted to join and the other ones didn't. So cool. The drips. Go for it. Oh yeah, there they are. More drips. Push it, push it. Oh, nice. It's almost Christmassy. Here we go. The green drips for Haley. Push those guys. There she goes. There you go. Hold it closer to the nib. There you go.
This is fun. Scribbling all over our paintings.
Yeah. That's good. You're getting some really cool streaks. I like that.
Sorry, Amy. Help me here, I can. I think this is my favorite part.
Well, it's very kid-like, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So switch out. You did good, like in a minute and a half. You guys are in fast motion.
All right.
Colors have been switched. Yeah. You got it. Yes, indeed. The first sign of the day. And the date.